welcome back to my channel. Welcome to I was gonna call it a fast and dirty Target haul, but that's not what I meant. Just like a quick and random Target haul. Although I say quick, but are we ever capable of me doing anything quick? No. Not, especially not right now in pregnancy. Woo! So I went to Target. Yes, you should judge me for using plastic bags. I judge me too. I still feel bad about it, but I forgot the bags and I bought too much stuff, so I had to get bags. But I do know better, and you should judge me. You should. You should also judge me for shopping too much, because I went to Target just to get some ingredients because I want to do some baking, and then I walked out with all of this. And I always tell myself, oh, like, you have the red card, 5% off, it'll be fine. It's not that much off. So judge away. But I did a random Target haul in one of my latest vlogs. I can link it up in the corner, some fun summer stuff, and you guys seem to enjoy it. So I thought I'd share the random things I got, because I got some accessories, some clothes, some bathing suits, some decor, some beauty stuff. So I thought I would just pop it in a video for you. So let's go ahead. Oh, first thing, I got these earrings, which I think are so cute. They're by Universal Thread. They were 10 bucks. They just kind of have this like kind of orangey gold piece at the top, and then this like purple, it feels almost like leather, but they're so lightweight, and I just loved the shape and color of them. And I know that my days of dangly earrings and like down long hair with a baby are gonna be put on pause for a little bit, but the earrings will be there after he grows out of the pull your earring phase, so I wanted to get them, and they matched this shirt perfectly. Which this is also old from Target, from Universal Thread, my fave. But these are just so lightweight, which are my favorite. I don't wear like a ton of dangly earrings, which I do enjoy them. I just never wear them, but these I thought were fun and cute, and just kind of like added something fun to a plain outfit, and just they're so lightweight, so I just do not even feel them at all. They're great. And then another, like, I think steal of a deal, which I can't attest to their quality yet because I haven't tried them, but I will keep you updated, are this pack of 4 hair clips. You get all 4 of these for $5. Like, that seems wild. And they're the kind that I like, which are the kind of claw clips. Instead of like, I do have some of the ones that like the normal barrettes where you just kind of snap them in place. I love the ones that you just clip back. I love that. So came with fun colors, and they had 2 different colorways too. The other one was more like blues and greens, but I just was obsessed with this, all of them really, but the pink and the mustard, then I love the orange, and I love that. So you guys know I'm all about the hair accessories. I love to wear my hair down, but it's nice to get it out of my face. So things like this are fun, and you could do like multiple ones at a time. You could do all 4 at once. I just think it's so cute. And all 4 for $5. I'm just like, that is such a steal of a deal. Even from Universal Threads, which is always a good deal anyway. I just was like, wow, yes. So this is one of the things I'm most excited about. Now, the one thing I did want to look at and purchase some things for myself were bathing suits. Today it's like cloudy and rainy, but it has been warm. We've been to our community pool a couple of times, which is so nice and so fun. My brother has a pool, so I've been swimming, and I'm gonna be like in the thick of my pregnancy in the summer heat. So I just plan on being in the pool every single day. So for now, I only got 1 top, but it is so cute, and I'm hoping it fits. I haven't tried any of these things on. This is, how cute is that? It's more of like a structured situation. A red, white, and blue for 4th of July. You guys know we love our 4th of July in the Thompson household. I liked how structured it was. A couple years ago from Target, I got some bathing suits that go over my shoulder instead of a halter tie, and it's just so much more comfortable, so that's what I was looking for this time around. I love that it's not a tie in the back, it's a clasp thing, and then it just, if it fits, it looks like it's gonna make my boobs look really good. Although my boobs have gotten bigger a little bit. They're like a little bit too big for my bathing suits now. It's kind of annoying. So I just wanted to get something bigger, which again, I haven't tried this on. And look at the cute like tie in the middle. Here's a close-up look of it. It's so, is it focusing? I don't know. It's so cute. And I like how the red, white, and blue, or the red and blue stripes are a little bit more faded, so it's not like so intense. But if this fits and works out, I think it's gonna make my boobs look amazing. So there's that. And then I wasn't really looking to get any bottoms. I got a size up just because I am pregnant, which this is one of my favorite bottoms that Target offers. It has like the cinching in the butt, if you can see that. I got a couple of pairs, and not by a couple, I mean like 5, a few years ago, and I love them. I wear them all the time. I am pregnant, so I have some extra weight here on the front, and my ass is huge. I keep looking at these and I'm like, this is not my size, but then I remind myself like, no, Amy, your ass is ginormous right now. So I wanted to size up. I just got 1 pair, but they did have the matching top, just not in my size in store. And what's nice about the top is that it was like a specific like bra sizes. So I can order my bra size in the cup, or in the top, and I already checked, it's on the website. I'm gonna order it today. This is by Shade and Shore. I don't know what that is, but these bottoms were $17.99. So a little bit more expensive than other Target brands, but I'm telling you, these cinched ones, They're incredible. I'm also definitely gonna have to get a wax before we wear these. But they're just so flattering is why I like them, and comfortable. So I'm excited about that. I hope the top works out with it. I hope everything works out. Then I did buy a few random clothing pieces, which I haven't tried on. Again, they might go back. This is actually for Bradley. He loves these t-shirts. So if the man in your life is looking for some good t-shirts, these are incredible. And they fit him so well. They wash nicely. They feel good. They're by Goodfellow, and they have a bunch of fun prints, and Bradley literally bought like 8 of them. We went one day, he saw a print he liked, and then we went back and he was like, I love this t-shirt so much, and I was like, just freaking get them all because they're $6. And so they had a new one. It's just kind of like this orange color. I love when he wears orange and purple, even though like it's not his favorite thing to wear, but he'll do it. So I got him this. But this looked great on him, and I just wanted to mention it in case you need t-shirts for the men in your life. These are great. I got this random Bambi t-shirt in an XXL so I could like sleep in it with my baby bump. But how cute is that? Like, it's just so cute. It's so soft. It might not like feel good and fit well over my belly bump. I guess that is what it's called. But I wanted to give it a try, and it's so soft, so I'm hoping that it works out. But even not for a sleep shirt if you got your normal size. Like, how cute is that? Like, that is so cute with the flowers. Love. This is so cute, and I don't have a whole lot of like high hopes for it working out during pregnancy, but I am hoping afterwards maybe. But it's by Universal Thread, and it's just like this kind of, it's got the Peter Pan collar with the ruffles and the like puffy sleeves that I love. It's in this beautiful like purple color that I'm literally wearing already today. I love this color so much, and I just loved the details of the shirt. It's got some like eyelet detailing with flowers. I love it. It looks a little wider in the bottom, so like maybe it'll work with the bump, but I might have to wait. I got a size large, and this one was $22.99. I don't know, we'll see. I'll keep you posted. And then this I thought would work with the bump. This is by A New Day. This is a dress. I'll either try it on for you if it looks good, and if it doesn't, I'll put in a picture so you know what it looks like. But it's this dress. It kind of has like black and white, almost like Dalmatian print, like not quite cheetah print, but it has really big like puff sleeves, and it's a tiered dress, which is very in this year. But I just figured with the bump it would be super comfortable. The fabric doesn't feel the best. That just doesn't feel very comfortable. Hopefully it works with the bump and it looks cute. And then I have a nice other summer dress to wear that I can use with the bump and without the bump. Now I have some random decor. This was $5 and I'm so pleased with it. It's by Sun Squad, which they have a bunch of fun summer stuff. Like we got both of our towels from there in that last haul I mentioned, the little watermelon pool we have. Pool toys, they have lawn games, like they're just summer central. But they had some 4th of July stuff out. Look how cute, look at me. But it's just this wreath, and I just thought it was so cute. I think what really got me was the 2 different color blue stars. Like I really am into that light blue, just to change it up a little bit. And I just thought it was super cute, and it's like really sturdy, and it was $5. Did I already say that? Yeah, $5, and I just love it. So whether we hang it on a door or just somewhere in the house, I love a wreath, so I thought this would be super cute to put out for the summer. And I just, wow. I bought candles, even though I'm not into candles right now, but you'll understand why I bought them in a second. Look at these jars. So these are by the Hearth and Home, or whatever it is. I always get it wrong. Hearth and Hand Magnolia. They're both soy candles, and I had to get both of them. So they're like cement looking, and then they're like color dipped in mustard and pink, and I need these for plant pots when they're done. So the pink one is called Citrus Grove. It smells actually delightful. So I will burn these obviously, but I'm mostly looking forward to burning them up and then getting the wax out and then putting plants in them. And then this one is called Golden Hour. Ooh, which that smells really good. These both kind of smell like great Anthropologie store candle dupes. And this size was $5.99, so not bad at all. That one smelled like I could stand that now. As you know, I'm pregnant, I'm weird with scents. I've been avoiding candles and oils, but couldn't avoid these, not at all. And then I got another one because look at this. This one is called Rattan. This one smells a little bit more, I want to say like manly, like a cologne, but I like it. I don't know, I just had to have this jar. Look at it, I just need a plant in that. I love it. And again, from the Hearth and Hand line. So I got candles to burn up just so I could use their pots as plant pots. And then the last 2 things I got were the same thing, just in different scents. So I've talked about it a bit, but I'm just not feeling the Lush bubble bars right now. I don't know why. The scents, I just don't want them. I'm not reaching for them, so I've been using Bubble Bath. And I was looking for Bradley's hairspray, which I did get that too. I'm not including it in this haul, but I bought Bradley his hairspray that he likes. And then I saw these Dove bubble baths, which like, I don't know, I haven't bought bubble bath in a very long time. So I got 2 of them. They're from the Nourishing Secrets line. This one is Relaxing Ritual. It has lavender and chamomile in it. Smells incredible. And as you guys know, I'm literally taking a bath every single night. It's the happy time of my day. It helps literally everything. I take it in Epsom salt, which helps my, obviously my aches and pains. Did you also know that it helps with your digestion to like soak in Epsom salt? It says it right there on the bag, which I read that and I was like, oh, I didn't know. And you all know that I'm not having problems right now, but I was having constipation problems and now I'm just taking every precaution I can to never go through that again. And so when I saw that, I was like, well, that's great. But anywho, I do put some Epsom salt in the bath with some bubble bath. And so I'm excited to try these. So I got Relaxing Ritual and then Glowing Ritual. This one was mango and almond scented. It smells so good. Like I could drink that. It smells so good. I'm so into like mango and peach right now. It's wild. But I thought I wanted to try these. They were like $5 each. Actually, I think less than that. I'm not quite sure. But of course I will keep you posted in a favorites video or whatever. If they make nice bubbles, if they make my skin feel good, I will keep you posted. So I picked those up. But okay guys, that is it for my random and quick Target haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I was gonna say if you wanted me to do it again next time, let me know. But I should probably take a break from the Target. I just buy everything. They have just such cute stuff and everything's like kind of cheap, but then it adds up and it's like, oh my god. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. I will have what I can find on their website linked down below. It just, if you want to find it, super easy. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I will talk to you very soon and I love you. Bye.